Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can use auto beat sync in Filmora. So in a nutshell, this feature allows you to capture the beat from an audio file, especially music and song, and then you can apply that, or you can use the rhythm of the audio to cut or to create a video that's going to cut precisely when the beat happen. I think it's kind of difficult to explain, so let's just demonstrate this feature. So I have this video. This is
half a trillion.
This is a video from a professional YouTuber, and I think some of you might know him. So basically I want to use his video and I want to apply this background music. Okay, so as you can see, there are some beats from this music. It is also not very fast, so hopefully we can see the difference after applying the auto beat sync. So what you need to do is that you have to right click on the video that you want to create the auto beat sync feature. I'm going to right click on this video, and after that click auto beat sync. Now it will bring you this tool. So as you can see, the video is right here, and here the length is basically the total length of the output. So I want to try something more moderate, like 20 seconds. And after that, here you can select the audio that you want to use as the source of where and when the beat should happen. So I'm going to click this and I'm going to select the audio file. Let's do that and click this and open. All right, so this is the audio file, the same audio that I just gave you the preview moments ago. And then here we have the option that says beat cut. So I'm going to select fast, and here we have video effect, but honestly let's try not to do that. Let's just use auto beat sync, and then we can apply the video effect later. It's going to be more obvious after you are applying beat sync. Now let's click analyze and just wait until it finishes. Now the process is usually not very long. Even if your video is long, usually this process is pretty quick, especially if you're using a decent hardware. So yeah, you don't have to wait too long. Okay, I'm going to play the video again, and you will see that every time the beat happen, you will see that the video clip is changing. The clip of the video is changing. Let's try it again.
Deep Seek slung its meat onto the said beat I want it today. It is like it can't be.
So beat. Every time there is a beat, the clip is changing, and that's basically the idea of auto beat sync. And lastly, I want to touch about video effect. I'm going to apply some effect here. Honestly, you don't want to apply all of them. I think it's better just to use one or two. So let's try maybe two effects. I'm going to try RGB. So this is basically the setting of frequency on how often the effect happen. It is almost like transition, by the way. And also I want to try video effect right here. So when you're done, you can click reanalyze and it will apply the video effects.
Overstated, but I mean, Deep Seek slung its meat onto the said beat I want it today. It is like it can't be overstated, but I mean, it isn't. For don't need to just keep buying.
So that's basically the idea of video effects. So when you're done, you can click export timeline, and this version of video will be here in your timeline, and you can do some further editing. But that's basically how you can use auto beat sync in Filmora. If you find this video to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.